Hi you guys, I hope that you are having a really good day so far. Today, I'm here to talk about our April's Sephora Play box, which also is the very last Sephora Play box. So, Sephora sent out an email that basically said, surprise, your April box is your very last box. We're not sending them out anymore. We're going to be doing different boxes. One that they mentioned was the Luxe box. That's going to be $25 a month. I didn't really look into it a whole lot. I might when they release like what other boxes they're going to be doing. I'm not sure whether these are one-time purchase boxes or subscription style boxes. I have no idea. So I'm going to look into that a bit more. I do love getting a monthly subscription boxes, so if you guys have any recommendations on your favorites or other ones I might want to try, please let me know, because I wouldn't mind getting another subscription box or two to test out. Since this is apparently the very last Sephora Play box, I have been unboxing these basically since I could get my hands on them. So I'm kind of sad to see them go, but at the same time, I can understand how people were getting sick of them because repeats and they're not that great all the time, and they tend to pretty much, they were putting a lot of the birthday freebies that they didn't get rid of in a lot of the boxes, and it was getting kind of frustrating. But anyway, here is the theme. It is Class of 2020, and it talks about being the last box. And we got some little stickers as well. These are actually kind of cute. And then here is our bag for the month. It's orange. And on the back, it says, "Thank you for playing." Let me go ahead and dump this out real quick. Okay, so usually everyone gets different boxes. I'm not sure if everyone's getting different boxes this time again. I did see something about how if you've been subscribed for a long time that you got a slightly improved box this month for the last one. So I don't know. I will say that there's some pretty good products in here. So I think I may have gotten like an extra bonus. I don't know though. Let me know what you guys got in your box down in the comments below. First thing, I'm very happy to see this, even though it's a repeat. I told you guys I like repeats as long as they're stuff I like. This is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. We got this like 2 months ago, I think, but I think we got a smaller sample of it. This I actually really loved, and I was probably going to end up buying a full size of, so I'm happy to see another sample of this to throw in my drawer and use. Very happy to see that actually. We also got something from one of my very favorite skincare companies. This is from Belief. I love their products so much. This is their moisturizing eye balm. I have not tried this. I've used their Moisture Balm skin cream so many times. It's actually one of my very, very, very favorite moisturizers, but I have not tried their eye cream, and this is a really, really good size sample for an eye cream. Oh, and I love the way their products smell. So I am super happy to have this. Okay, it's a smaller sample than it looks like, but still, that's a lot for eye cream because it goes a long way. But I'm really excited to try this because I've been using the avocado eye cream from Kiehl's, and while I like it, I can only use it at night. So I want to see if this will work well under makeup. We have the, ooh, it opened a little bit. That's not good. Apparently it did not have a safety seal on it. This is the Shiseido Ultimate Sun Protector Lotion SPF 50 for face and body. I have actually been wanting to try this sunscreen because I heard it's really, really good and a lot of people like it. For me, I'm very picky on sunscreens, especially on my face. They have to go well under makeup. So I'm very interested in trying this, especially now that it's getting sunnier. Hopefully, I'll get a chance to, you know, at least see the sun once in a while. So I'm happy about that. To be honest, I'm going to totally spoil this for you guys. I'm really happy about this whole box. I'm excited about everything in it. which makes me sad because after so many months of mediocre boxes, I get this box. I'm like, yes, everything's perfect. And it's the last one. Next thing we got is from Clinique. I believe this is a new product. This is their Pop Splash lip gloss. It says lip gloss plus hydration, and we got the color 12 Rosewater Pop. Ooh, and this is cute. It's a really cute bright pinky shade with some glitter, not like glitter, but like shimmer in it. And you know, I love a pink gloss. Ooh. It doesn't have a smell to it, which is excellent, and it's really sheer. I love sheer glosses for layering. That's really pretty. Yay! Okay, I'm happy about that. And then our sample, we got this. This is the Amicus Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I put masks on my hair all the time because, of course, it is highly bleached, so it needs all the love I can give it, so I cannot wait to try that. And we got a makeup eraser, you guys. Now, I've tried these before. I do not love using these all the time. I find that these are really helpful if I'm really tired and I just don't care. I think they're a bit rough on my face for like everyday makeup removal. I like to use oil because it's very gentle. However, this one is a baby size one, which is perfect for eye makeup or traveling, which hopefully this stupid virus will go away very, very soon, or we'll have a vaccine or something and we'll all be able to travel and go do fun stuff again. So hopefully this will come in handy then. It's very, very small, very lightweight. I mean, you could probably tuck this in a pocket if you needed to. So I can use this to remove like eye makeup and stuff like that. So I'm very happy to see that. Let me show you guys what we got so far. I think this is one of the best boxes we've ever gotten, quite frankly. We got the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. We got the Shiseido Ultimate Skin Protector Lotion SPF 50. We got the Clinique Pop Splash Lip Gloss in Rosewater. We got the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm, the Amicus Soul Food Nourishing Mask, and our little teensy baby makeup eraser. You know I love miniatures of pretty much everything. So, favorite thing is everything. Pretty much, I love everything in this box. I will use everything in this box. I'm super happy to see everything. I am sad that the Sephora Play box is being canceled, but again, it gives me a chance to try some other boxes. So go ahead, let me know what boxes are you interested in. It doesn't have to be beauty. If there's like another subscription box that you guys have been interested in, let me know. I do like to keep it fairly reasonable, so nothing over like $25, $30 a month, if at all possible. But let me know whether it's beauty, stationery, geeky stuff like I love everything. So give me some suggestions down in the comments below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put up new videos several times a week. You guys can also keep up with me on Twitter, where I basically live, and on Instagram and Facebook as well. All the links for those are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.